for different types, sandpaper for sanding, along with the Velcro, if you guys can see that, and 2 types of blades. Long blade with short tips, short blade with long tip. So we'll put these to use and see how well they work. You get a sorted amount of blades because these actually, tend to dull up or break or fall apart. Well, you're not going to need any more because you got plenty of them, and it's very inexpensive, easy to set up. And I like that they include the different types of locks for it, right? And if you guys can see, this will work on pretty much any brand, all right? So we'll put them to use and see how well they work. Let's go ahead and do that.
So today here we're in my wood shop, and to cut electrical boxes now, we use a multi-tool, and there's 2 types of blades that we use. The straight one or this kind of in a V shape. So make sure, use the one that you like the most. And we're gonna change this one because this one we use it for drywall, so you can use it for many things. We're gonna use it on wood right now.